A top official of the Marcos Jr. administration rejects claims that the president is preventing Congress from pursuing the vice president's impeachment. Vivian Gulia reports.
2 weeks before Congress session again goes on a break, congressmen behind a supposed plan to file a fourth impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte have yet to reach out to the endorsers of the first three complaints. That's according to House Deputy Minority Leader and ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro, who raised doubts on the possibility of a fourth complaint. Some endorsers and complainants expressed frustration over the delay in initiating the impeachment process.
We are frustrated because Congress should have acted immediately on this impeachment complaint.
Ito ay actually disservice sa naunang tatlong impeachment complaints. Tingin natin naging crucial factor talaga dito ang remarks ng nakaupong Pangulo. Knowing na yung mga remarks niya ay nakaka-impluwensya dun sa mga colleagues natin sa loob ng Kamara.
A vice chairperson of the House Committee on Justice issued